Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Huli Huli ribs today, straight from Hawaii. That's right, Huli Huli ribs. You see it anywhere you go in Hawaii, Huli Huli chicken. Same principle, but we use baby back ribs. So we're going to start off with the brine, cup of sugar, cup of salt, some bay leaves, and black peppercorn. Mix that up in warm water. Then we'll trim up our ribs, put some ice to cool down that warm water. Once we finish trimming our ribs, we'll put those into the brine and put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now, we move on to make our Huli Huli marinade. We're going to use one 32-ounce can of pineapple juice, one 16-ounce can of crushed pineapple, and add 1 cup soy sauce, half a cup ketchup, half a cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, a couple dashes of sesame oil, and 2 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to pour all that into our marinade and mix it up real well. Then remember to reserve some of the marinade for basting later. And we'll set that aside. 2 hours later, we'll take our ribs out of the brine and place into our marinade. We'll put the lid on this and we will put that in the fridge for 24 hours. Alright, 24 hours have passed. Boom. Now, place our ribs into our baking dish, cover with foil, and these are going to go in the oven for 1 hour at 300 degrees. While that's going in the oven, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications. Stay up to date with all the newest recipes. I try to get out at least 2 to 3 a week. Alright, so once those ribs go in the oven, we'll wait 1 hour. Then we're going to take them out. And now we're going to use the reserve marinade and baste these ribs every 20 minutes for the next 2.5 hours. Okay, so if you take them out and it takes you 5 minutes to baste, remember to add that 5 minutes to the 2.5 hours of cooking. And you have Huli Huli ribs. Alright, I hope you enjoy these. Thank you. Bye-bye.